Okay, this is what I did. I took the crossover off. I got both of these tracks running off of those, which are hooked up to the power pack. Now the funny thing is, this doesn't work. But, see those two guys? If I do this, that works. If I do this, that works. I can get them both going, but they go too fast. I can't control the speed. And then that one gets stuck over there. So I got a little work to do, but I'm working on it. I better go up and have some more coffee. And then I'll come back down. Maybe you guys got some tips for me why these work and this doesn't. See? Nothing. And even if I put this down there like that, these guys will still go at any speed they want. So, I don't know. I got to work on it. Any ideas?